With connected devices being the backbone of your business, hackers are constantly trying to get access to the enterprise data. With employees accessing enterprise emails and network through their mobile phone, have you ever wondered at the mere thought of the network getting hacked and loss of valuable sensitive data of your organization? Today, banking, dating, shopping, e-commerce, food delivery, travel history, stock trading, cryptocurrency wallets, and even your health information is on that tiny piece of device that one carries. With employees accessing, have you ever realized what would happen if any employee clicked on a malware link on the mobile phone via SMS or email? While we protect our offices, data centers, and mission-critical cloud applications from threats and vulnerabilities, isn't it time to focus our attention on the device we use the most today? Mobile phones. Say hello to Ijura, a product of Tata Communications, enabler of the digital transformation of enterprises globally, including 300 of the Fortune 500 companies. Tata Communications drives the next level of intelligence, powered by cloud, mobility, Internet of Things or IoT, collaboration, security, and network services. Ijura is the next Gen 3 patent-pending mobile threat defense, simplified approach which is deployed in the cloud and protects the end-user devices and IoT in the data network. Our cloud-based solution protects smartphones, tablets, and IoT devices from malicious content and cybercriminals, so that you can sleep easy. Ijura Mobile Threat Defense will protect you and your enterprise network against all sorts of external attacks, like phishing, malware, data leaks, viruses, botnets, and a host of other parameters. It also helps in deploying security and access policies. We offer a zero-touch and zero-trust solution which is cloud-based and network-enforced, is easy to deploy and scale, with focus on employee privacy. Please visit us at www.ijura.com.